G'day, I'm Andrew. In this video, I'm going to show you from start to finish how I make a 6" by 9" notebook cover and internal line pages to publish on Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform, also known as KDP. KDP is a great source of passive income as Amazon does all the printing, all the shipping, and all the customer service. All you have to do is design a cover and the internal manuscript and upload it to the KDP platform to sell on Amazon.com. In the description below, I have the links to all the free resources you will need to get started making your notebook covers and a link to the free lined notebook interiors which are available on my Gumroad shop for free. I draw by mouth using an Apple Pencil and an iPad Pro. I create all my covers using the Procreate app, which is only available on the Apple Store and on an iPad. The first thing you'll need to do is download a template for your book cover, and to do this, head over to bookowl.com and click their KDP cover template generator. Simply type in the dimensions of your notebook, 6" by 9", and however many pages. Scroll down, place your email. Once you do this, they will email it to you. And from there, go to canva.com. Again, the links are in the description. Go to Create Design on the top right. Change from pixels to inches. The cover template dimensions depend on how many pages you have in your book. Mine is 6 by 9", which makes it 12.520 inches wide by 9.250 inches high with 120 pages. Go over to your Uploads tab, upload your artwork, upload your cover template. Simply drag the corners and snap them to the edge. What I like to do is put the template cover over the top. Again, drag the corners, snap it to the edge. I like to make it a little bit transparent. So you come up to the checkered flag, slide the transparency down. This allows you to line up your text on the spine of the book. Now, if my book was 121 or 122 pages, the spine of the book would be a little bit thicker and the dimensions will be a little bit larger with the cover template. So you must make sure that your cover template matches the amount of pages in your book. All I'm doing here is putting the word notebook in the middle of the spine. You can change the text, you can change the color. There's plenty of options you can do, change the different fonts. I like to zoom right in to make sure I get it correct. Choose a size. It is a little bit fiddly, but these little lines snap to the center, which makes it a lot easier to line up. Trick is to get it as close as you can to the margin without touching. And again, use the lines to snap it in the middle. Zoom out. Now, to delete the cover template or change it behind or forward, click Position. Put the template behind your picture or in front, or simply delete it. Now that cover is done. It's ready to download. Simply go to Download, click PDF Print High Quality. Make sure it is high quality so there's no pixelation. Download that and it's ready to go. simply head over to my Gumroad shop. The link is in the description. It's 100% free. Just put a 0 in there when you go to download. Don't send me any money. Instead, if you got value out of this video, if you'd like to send me a like, or even if you'd wish to subscribe for future videos, I'd appreciate it. Thank you. Once you've downloaded those, you're ready to go to upload it to the KDP platform. This is what it looks like once you've signed in. You click paperback, will get you started, or you can do a Kindle ebook. These are some of the books that I have now. Notebooks, a couple of sketchbooks. Some are in review, some are live. Takes roughly 72 hours to 5 days to go live, depending on how busy they are. You simply put in your title, your subtitle. This is where you put in your author name. Mine has 3 names: Smart, then Mouth, then Art. This is all for demonstration purposes only. So I'll go back up here, do the title, just a dummy title for now. Same with the subtitle. Come down here to the description. Notebook 6x9, 120 pages, etc. Click I own the copyright. This is where you put in the 7 keywords to help your notebook be found. Categories. There are several different categories. The easiest one is diaries and journals. It's your personal choice. You can head over to bookbolt.io and there's a free resource. Go to the resource tabs, click KDP category finder, type in whatever your category is. I'll just use one for now. This does help. Sometimes it can make it a little bit more confusing. It's not the easiest thing to use on the KDP platform. You can always look at other books on Amazon.com and they'll be able to show you or give you a brief idea what category they're in. Click save and continue. Click the ISBN, gives you a free one, International Seller Book Number. You do this for each individual book. I've got white paper, it's a 6x9. I'm going to go with bleed, which means the lines go all the way to the edge. I want a glossy cover. This is where you upload your internal lined manuscript. Click that. Find your file. These are the internal pages only. Double click that. That will be a PDF file format. The same thing goes with your book cover, the high quality book cover that you downloaded earlier. You can make your own in the cover creator. I've never used it because I draw all my own using my Apple iPad and the Procreate app, but it's there if you want to use it. If you go back, you scroll down a little, you can upload your own PDF, high quality PDF file that you downloaded earlier. Click that, find your file, that's your cover. This takes a little while to upload, depending on how big the file is. Once that's uploaded, the launch preview button, I highly recommend that you press this every time to make sure that your cover lines up and your internal pages, because sometimes it has errors, and the errors will pop up over here. It'll have a little red triangle. Double check that the pages are alright. You can see by the cover template and the notebook text that we put in earlier, it lines up exactly. All we have to do is click approve. And that's it. The next step is to put in your price. Double check, yes, white paper. This is the live date. You can either click the date you made it, or it will automatically make the date when it goes live on Amazon. I usually leave it alone. Double check everything's okay. It shows you the printing price. Save and continue. This will take you to the next step, which is putting the price in. Scroll down. I always leave it on Amazon.com because that's the main marketplace. The price for a 6x9 notebook, the usual price is $6.99 American, USD. There's expanded distribution. You just double check it to see whether it's worth it. The top one is usually 40 to 50 cents. I don't usually bother with the bottom one. Scroll down, double check everything's okay. With a $6.99 USD price, you roughly get $1.90 royalty, which is awesome considering you're not doing any work apart from the initial setup. This is my author page. It's pretty straightforward to set up. All your books that go live will show up here. With anything when selling online, you must have the proper keywords, the ones that will get your books ranked up highly. I suggest putting keywords in your title and subtitle. I'll be doing a video on how I do my keyword research shortly. If this video has helped you out and you found value in it, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye now.